Welcome to our dive into paradise travel. Today it's all about unlocking the best Hawaii cruise deals with Skylord Cruise and Holidays, showing you how to sail into a Hawaiian dream.
Absolutely, it's like your ticket to cruising through breathtaking islands with everything planned right down to the last detail. They mention some epic stops like Honolulu, Maui, Kauai, and the Big Island. Each of these destinations offers its own flavor of adventure and culture, right?
Absolutely. Take Honolulu, a mix of historic sites like Pearl Harbor and the vibrant life along Waikiki Beach. Then there's Maui with its epic road to Hana and waterfalls that seem straight out of a movie.
And don't even get me started on Kauai. The Garden Island has those breathtaking views of the Nepali coast and Waimea Canyon. It really is a kaleidoscope of natural wonders.
Exactly. And the Big Island brings in dramatic volcanic landscapes and authentic experiences like Kona coffee tours. Each port gives you a unique slice of island life.
Yup, sounds incredible. Now I wonder though, sometimes promotional content like this can sound a bit too good, right? Do you think these deals truly deliver the immersive and hassle-free experience they promise?
That's a fair critique. I mean, it's important to be cautious, but the offerings here are pretty comprehensive. They even talk about flexible payment options and special discounts for early bookings or group reservations, which speaks to a genuine effort to cater to varied needs.
Absolutely. And for UK travellers, there are exclusive deals that aren't available through typical direct bookings. That kind of exclusivity can really elevate the experience.
Right on. It's like you're not just booking a cruise, you're accessing a curated journey with international flights, pre-cruise hotel stays, and even transfers, so everything's sorted. Structured travel at its best, really.
And then there's the onboard vibe. Luxury dining, tropical drinks, perhaps even a little casino gaming for some extra fun. It paints a picture of total relaxation mixed with adventure.
Yep, exactly. The intent is creating that perfect balance between indulgence on board and the thrill of exploring island life on shore. There's also that innovative aspect of customizable shore excursions, which allows you to choose between whale watching, snorkeling, or culturally immersive activities.
Speaking of whale watching, the site emphasizes timing your trip around the ideal seasons. Planning for the dry season, like April to October, or even catching humpback whales between December and May, it really informs you on when to set sail.
Right. It's a well-thought-out experience. Seasonal considerations ensure you get the best of Hawaii's natural charm. And the detailed FAQs even mention optimal times to visit, which is handy for someone juggling schedules.
Sure, sounds smart. And there's a transparency here. They list everything from the cultural tapestry of the islands, Polynesian, Tahitian, British, Japanese influences, to the natural features like volcanic landscapes and diverse surf spots. It's like an immersive guide to the islands, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's like a mini travel encyclopedia built right into the booking process. It ensures that you're not just buying a ticket, but getting educated about what you'll experience.
I appreciate that educational twist. With that, paradise is just one call away. Thanks for unpacking these details. It really shines a light on how thoughtful and comprehensive these cruise deals are.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining in. Here's to smooth sailing and magical journeys to those Hawaiian shores.
Until next time, keep dreaming and planning that ideal escape. Cheers to adventures in paradise.